In this video, I'll be showing you how to pair AirPods 4 with PC. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.
So what you're going to have to do firstly is make sure whatever AirPods you're using, so in my case it's the AirPods Pro 3, you have to make sure they're in pairing mode. You're going to know it's in pairing mode when the light is flashing white like so. And to put the AirPods Pro 3 in pairing mode, you're going to have to double tap the the little dot icon twice. Once you double tap it, it's going to be in pairing mode. And now on your PC, all you got to do is go over to your Bluetooth settings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the bottom right here. I'm going to type in Bluetooth. So once you go ahead and type that in, what I want to do is go to Bluetooth devices and other settings. It's going to show up like this, and all I want to do is make sure Bluetooth is enabled, and then I'm just going to go to add device. When you add device, you can add audio devices, wireless displays, or anything else as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on Bluetooth, and then again, I just want to make sure that the device is turned on and that it is discoverable, and then I basically just have to wait until it shows up. Now, as you can see, the AirPods are being displayed on the PC right there. They're showing up as headphone audio. So all I want to do is go ahead and click on those. Now it's recognized it as AirPods Pro. So just go ahead and click on that. And then it just says your device is ready to go. And that's how you know it. That's how you know it's basically done. It's as simple as that.